Today we're going to learn how to submit our house design. There's two ways that we can go about this. First way is going to be adding screenshots into our house submission port. The other way is going to be copying our link. First way that we'll go over is how to add your screenshots. So what you want to do when you have your house is over here on the right-hand toolbar. What I'm going to use most is going to be my views icon. So that's going to be, or the scenes. That's going to be the fourth icon from the bottom. What we're going to do is click on that scenes, and then it's going to give us an array of angles that we can choose from. So first angle I'm going to do is click on this bottom left-hand icon right there. What that's going to show us is our front of our house, but also the inside interior of our house. Once I have that selected, what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of that. To take a screenshot on your Chromebook, what you're going to select is the Control and then the Windows option. On most of your keyboard, it's going to be the icon or the key above the number 6. It's going to look like a rectangle with two lines to the right of that rectangle. So by holding in Control and that Windows icon, that is going to take a screenshot of our work for us. So we have our first view of our house. Next, I can close this out just because it will be saved into our folder. It should save into your downloads folder. Just know that for when it comes time to actually retrieving your image. Next angle that I'm going to do, going back to my scenes, is I'm going to select this middle view right here. What that view is, that's going to be my bird's eye view. So if you went through and did up to step number 8, this is where you're going to be able to see everything in your house. But no matter what step you're at, this is also going to just show us where your house layout is, how everything goes, and things like that. So once I have this scene right here, what I'm going to do is do Control Windows, and then that is going to take that screenshot for me. And then lastly, another one that I'm going to add just for my purpose right here, I'm going to click on the scenes, and I'm going to click on the top right icon. What that's going to do is give me a similar view to what my first one was, but this time it's going to be from the back of my house. So once I have that view intact, I'm going to hit Control Windows, and then that will take a screenshot of that for me. Depending on what step you got to, if you got to step number 8 and you added a whole bunch of different types of items, then you can go through and really start to maneuver your house. You can zoom into things just so I can see everything that you have going on in your house. Remember, for step 8, the more you add, the more points that you can get. So just be aware of that. Once we have our screenshots taken, what we're going to do is go back into our classroom, and then you're going to open up the house design submission. Your screen may look different than mine because this is from the teacher's end. Yours is going to be from the student end, but you will still have access to the Google Doc right here. So what you can do is click on this doc. That's just going to be a blank document. And then inside this blank document, we are going to paste our screenshots. In order to do that, as simple as inserting the image. So once your document loads, we're going to go to Insert. Doesn't look like it's loaded yet. There we go. Insert. Image. And then we're going to select Upload from Computer. When you take your screenshots, those screenshots will save to your downloads folder. So we're going to double click on your downloads. And then right here are going to be my recent screenshots that I've taken. So you can look to see the date. So right now I have the date right there, and you can also see the time. So the newest screenshot that you take is going to be the top one. So what you'll do is click on that icon, select open, and then it will insert that image into your document. So what you'll go through is just insert all of your images for this assignment. So that is how you will incorporate all of your screenshots and put them into the document. Once you have these incorporated, what you will do is make sure that you hit submit and turn in just so I can see what your house design looks like. So that is step 1 of how to show me and how to get your images inside of the house. The other way that you can do if you have screenshots is you can add them as an attachment. Unfortunately, from my end, I am not able to add an attachment because this is the teacher end, but from the student end, I believe you have these 3 dots up here. If you click on those dots, it'll say add an attachment. You can go through, add your screenshots as an attachment from there. The second way that you can turn in your assignment is going to be giving me your link for your house. That's going to be probably the easiest way because it's going to be less work for you and it's going to allow me to see your overall house design from there. What you can do for that is first thing is you're going to open up your Google Drive and then you are going to go to your folder that you have saved. If you don't have it saved in a folder, or if the folder that you chose to save it in is going to be your classroom, up at the top, you're going to have a few images up there. So in those images, there we go. In those images, what you're going to have, you will see your house. So if that's the case, what you'll do is similar to what we're going to be doing, come to finding our image in our folder. So first thing I'm going to do, since I have it saved in a folder, I'm going to open up my folder. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see where my house design is. So right here is my house. This is going to be the same step that you're going to do if your house is at the top of your screen when you first open your drive. So you're going to click on your icon, and then with 2 fingers, tap on your image as well, and then it's going to give us this open window. What we're going to select is Get Link. Then we're going to copy the link. You can see right here, it says link copied. From that point, we're going to go back to our Google Classroom, your comment section. So for your section under the students, there's going to be something over here on the right-hand side. It's going to say add private comment or add class comment, something like that. In that comment section, what you can do, paste in your link and then hit the post icon. Once you have that post icon submitted, then you will just click on the turn in, and then that will turn in your assignment for me. The other option that you have is opening up this blank document. Once you have this blank document opened, all you have to do, paste in the link. I would suggest hitting enter or return afterwards, just so it's a live link, and then go through, hit turn in, hit submit, and then that's going to turn in your assignment so I can view your house. Other than that, those are the 2 ways that we are going to turn in our house. So if you have any questions, please reach out, let me know. But that is how you will go through and submit your assignment.